Hello. I was thinking, I know it's a cliché, but I do think when meeting the right person in your life makes you change for the better. For people you're surrounded by and yourself. Actually, I'm sure it does.
Woke up tied down to the ground. Life was pressing down, I couldn't see the sun. Every day was Monday, surrounded by the rain clouds. That was how you found me. You did something magical, I don't know how or why, but somehow you just swept it all away. One word from you and I can fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. A bird to the mountains. One word from you and I can fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Bird to the mountains. And by the lake the pilgrims gathered. Dark forbidden water. Each glass bead held refracting morning sun. Ice crystals in the air, colliding rainbows.
Tempter's counter melody.
Organum is answered by the valley walls. kind of euphoria. And you give me a natural high. I'll never need that stuff again. And I don't think that I'm ever coming down. Well, it's not like we have much to say. That anyone could call profound. You're like a welcoming black hole. And I love the way you pull me in. One word from you and I can fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. A bird to the mountains. One word from you and I can fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. A bird to the mountains.
Thank you for watching. It's much appreciated.